Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. By the title you can already tell that this is a try on haul. Yes, like it has been a while. It has been a long while I did one of these, and that's because guys, see, try on hauls are expensive. Okay, try on hauls are expensive, especially when they're not sponsored. For the most part, 95% of my try on hauls are not sponsored. I go on this website, I buy these items with my own money, and I come here to try them on for you guys to see what they look like. So try on hauls are they're expensive, okay, which is why I probably haven't done a try on haul in a little bit, but I'm super excited today because I have a lot of stuff to show you guys from, of course, SHEIN. And I love SHEIN a lot. I feel like SHEIN is taking over ASOS and all the other fast fashion websites. They have really taken over because they provide, you know, trendy, affordable, comfortable fashion, and I always tilt a lot more towards them these days, to be honest. Now, without further ado, without wasting so much of your time, let's get right into this try on haul now, shall we? Alright, so the first set of things I'm going to show you guys are silk/satin blouses stroke shirts. And if you recall, in my 12 ways to look expensive on a budget, I did mention in one of my points that another way to look really expensive even when you don't have plenty of money is to buy silk/satin like blouses or shirts. So I went ham on SHEIN and I bought 4 different blouses, which I will show you guys in a little bit. All right, so first of all, we have this, and this is a very cute lilac satin blouse. You guys, I have been having a thing for pastel colors these days. I don't know what it is, but I've been tilting a lot more towards lilacs, mint greens, baby pinks, dusty blues, you know, pastel colors. I've been loving those kind of colors. So when I saw this shade, this lilac satin blouse, I'm like, yep, I'm getting that. I'm definitely getting that. This is a very simple, all right, very simple lilac blouse, and I feel like when it comes to this blouse, the color speaks for it. Okay, the color speaks for it. It's a regular shirt style, not much is going on the sleeves, regular schmegular, but the color is so beautiful. This one is from the SHEIN basics section, I think. SHEIN Curve. Yeah, I buy most of my stuff from SHEIN Curve because I'm either a 0XL or a 1XL, and I got all the shirts in a 1XL, by the way. I'll leave the prices on the screen as well, just so you know, and all the links will be in the description box below if you're interested. And I feel like I can wear this with a pair of blue jeans. I feel like this will pop. This will really pop with a pair of blue jeans. So either you tuck it in or you don't tuck it in, whichever way, it'll still look expensive, okay? And the beauty of this outfit, I feel, will come out a lot more when I iron these. So beautiful, so lovely. I love it. This particular material is kind of light. It's not see-through or anything like that. It's just light, you know, light satin, and I do like that a lot. Very cute, and I cannot wait to rock this. Like, I'm thinking about 1,000,001 places I can actually wear this to, but I'm thinking now maybe like lunch one of these days. I feel like this would go really well, and yeah, so pretty, so lovely. I love the color, it's right up my alley, and I'm super duper happy that I got this. Very cute. All right, then the next thing that I got is this beautiful, this is not mint green, this is not mint green, this is sage green. Yes, green has different names. So there's emerald green, olive green, sage green, mint green. This is sage green, and I picked this particular blouse because I really loved the detailing that it had. It had a lot of detailing. It's not just a regular blouse, it has a lot of details, and I will show you really quickly. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty, love the color, right up my alley. Again, pastel colors, mwah, love it. But I love this beautiful cutout detailing on the shoulder. It starts on the shoulder and, you know, stops halfway on the sleeve. Very cute. I love those details so much. And then I also love the end of the sleeve. There are no buttons, but the way it was made, it looks like there are buttons. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but the hem looks like there will be buttons, but when you look closely, there are no buttons. And even the way it was made is very beautiful. I also love the sleeve. There's also another detail on the sleeve, almost like a pleated detail on the sleeve. so it's not just straight, if that makes any sense. So I even love like the hem right there at the edge of the blouse. It doesn't just continue, the button stops like somewhere here and it still continues down without a button. Like, I don't know, I just like the way the style was made. It's very, very nice and very, very detailed. I absolutely love it. Again, this would go very well with a pair of jeans. Like, I feel like this satin blouses will go really well with a pair of blue jeans. Many of them would. Yeah, I love it so much because I love the color. It's very beautiful, right up my alley. I feel like it complements my skin tone nicely, and this particular fabric is heavier than the lilac, but all in all, I love this. Love, love, love this. Next up is yet another satin blouse. I know, guys, I know, I told you I went ham buying satin blouses. I don't know if they did it to me, but I went ham. It's not my fault. So I got this really beautiful, very classic black satin blouse, and I took a look into my closet and I realized I don't really have a black satin blouse. I feel like if you don't want to play with colors when it comes to satin, black and whites are your staples. So I knew I had to get a black top, and what caught my eye about this particular black blouse is the sleeve. It has like this bishop sleeve. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's, you know, almost like an oversized sleeve kind of thing, and then it is capped, you know, at the wrist. Yeah, it is capped at the wrist, so it's like bogus and then it is capped. Very, very beautiful. I love it. Again, this fabric is a lot heavier than the lilac, the first one I showed you, so this is obviously better quality. I love this so much. It's so beautiful. It's so chic. I feel like black can go with anything. Black you can wear to anywhere. Black is that one color I feel like would always look chic and would always look expensive regardless. So this is really, really right up my alley. Again, a pair of blue jeans will go well with this. A pair of black leggings will go well with this. A nice skirt can go well with this in case you're working class. Very chic, very beautiful, very modern, and very classic. I feel like this is a timeless piece that will never go out of style. So yeah, very excited about this as well. And then the last blouse that I got is white. I just realized that I don't really have a lot of white blouses in my closet, and I'm tilting a lot more towards white these days. So I was super duper happy to find this really cute white blouse. To be honest, SHEIN has 1001 white blouses. It just depends on the one that you pick. Okay, this particular one is not actually silk or satin. It's almost like chiffon, but it's heavier than chiffon. I'm not sure what the name of this fabric is, but it's very beautiful. This is a very classic piece. Again, white. I mean, you can't go wrong with white. This one is just a very nice, simple white blouse. Okay, almost like a shirt, and it's just really cute. I feel like white with blue jeans is like the most classic look in the history of looks, in my opinion. I feel like white is so classy with blue jeans. Like, almost see, as I'm just imagining the outfits in my head, I want to just wear it and just be going. You understand? But I love, love, love this. Again, in a 1XL. I love my blouses to be a bit free on me. I don't like when my blouses are tight on me, so that's why I shopped them in a 1XL. I could have easily gotten away with a 0XL, but I just wanted that little loose, free, you know, look. The fabric is heavy. It's not, you know, flimsy or see-through or anything like that. And to be honest, I actually see myself going to get more white tops, maybe not long sleeve tops, maybe like, you know, regular blouses, peplums and all of that, because I'm really, really, really tilting a lot towards white stuff these days. So this is very beautiful, very classic, just like the black. You should have either white or black, or white and black, as the case may be. You can never go wrong with those colors. All right, so I got one dress, and it is a very pretty dress. So I got this very, very cute denim dress. I do have one or two denim dresses in my closet, but I haven't worn them in so long, and I think it's because they are quite heavy. Okay, they are that heavy denim that you use for jeans. They use that to, like, you know, make a dress, and I think I've worn that one once or twice or so, but in a very long time I haven't worn it. But when I saw this particular one, I'm like, yes, like this is giving me boho, gypsy, chic, very feminine. Like, if you're not into very feminine looks, you're not like this dress. Okay, you're not gonna like them. But I love, love, love this dress so much. I love the shade of blue. All right, I like the choice of denim. It's a very soft denim, very appropriate to make a dress with. I love the hem right here, how it was, you know, loosened and all of that. Very, very pretty. I love the fact that the bust has pockets on it, 2 pockets on either side. Very, very cute. And I just love the fit. I love that it just also has like this gypsy look. So it's not just straight, it has like this thing here, which makes it look very gypsy like, and I just love it. I love the fit on me. It's very beautiful. I love the fact that it is sleeveless because I can wear this with a long sleeve top inside. I can wear this with a short sleeve top inside. Like, I love that about this. Like, I love how versatile it is. Even though it is a dress, it is quite versatile, and I actually do love that. And yeah, this is actually one of my favorite things, to be honest, if not my most favorite thing that I bought in this haul. I love this, and I can't wait to wear this with a very nice pair of heels and just go somewhere. Like, you guys know I'm the queen of outside. I go out a lot, so I'm gonna wear it to go out. I love this, very pretty. I love it. So the next item that I got is a set, and it looks like this. Yes, very colorful, I know, but this I got basically just to lounge around in the house, and it reminds me so much about a particular set that Mia has also, that is from SHEIN. It has this similar colors as well, so maybe, just maybe, we may just wear it and twin or something. But yeah, it is a crop top and shorts set. This is what it looks like. It's very transparent. If I'm being very honest, it is transparent, but I got this on the sales section for like $5, like $5 for the set. So what was I really expecting? It's just a very nice, you know, set you can wear within your house, just to chill in your house. Basically, that's why I got it, and I really like it. I love the colors. You guys know me, I love my colors. Okay, I love my colors, and I feel like this and this together, very beautiful. It's almost like you making a fashion statement inside your house. Basically, I don't intend to wear this to go out. I don't really intend to, because it's crop top. You know that some of us, our bellies are not for the public eye, so I don't know if this is what I can actually wear to go out. But yeah, very pretty. It's just a very nice lounge set, and I really like this. I'm thinking that I probably would do, for my next SHEIN haul, I would do only sale items. Maybe I'll just go on SHEIN and buy items from only the sale section to show you guys. So yeah, very nice, very pretty, very cute. Like it. I like it. I like it for the purpose I bought it. I like it. And then we're still on denim. I got this very pretty pair of shorts. I do have, I think, 1 pair of denim shorts, but it's a very light blue, and I just wear it, you know, knock about here and there. But I wanted something I can easily dress up with a pair of heels and go out if I need to. So I saw this very cute pair of shorts, and I've had this in my wish list on SHEIN for the longest time, to be honest. And the reason why I picked this is because, one, I love the fact that it's an elastic band. There's no button, there's no zip, no nothing. So I feel like even somebody who is 2 sizes up can wear this as well, and it will fit. Like, look at that. I love, obviously, it has pockets in the front and at the back, and it's free. It's not a tight short. It's not shorts that you are seeing my butt cheeks, and it's not tight that it's uncomfortable. It's a very free pair of shorts, and I feel like I can actually wear this, you know, with a t-shirt and a pair of heels, and I will still look really chic, you know, on a casual outing or something. That is how I am looking forward to styling this particular pair of shorts, even with a shirt. Like, you'll be shocked that you wear this with one of these silk blouses and a pair of heels, and you will look chic, classy. Quality is amazing. The denim is good denim, and I'm super duper excited about this particular pair of shorts. Very excited. Love it. So that is all with clothing items. I did get 1 or 2 accessories, which I would show you guys in a bit. The first one being this bag. Okay, this nice pink bag. I don't know what this pattern is called. I think it's called a chevron pattern or something like that, but to be honest, this bag is very underwhelming. I expected more, maybe because I bought a better bag from SHEIN. I actually did expect a lot more when it came to this bag, and the quality is not giving what it's supposed to give. I feel like it's just very flimsy. For the price I got, I'm not even sure how much I got it, but I'll put it on the screen. I kind of expected a little bit more because I've gotten something better for that same price. So I'm very underwhelmed by this particular purchase. It's cute on camera, it looks good, but in person I feel like it doesn't just look the best. It's my least favorite thing in this haul, and I feel like maybe, just maybe, if I stuff it up with stuff, maybe it would take shape and look nice. But for now, it's not just giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, so I'm not sure about this. I'm not very sure, but we shall see. We'll try it out and then we shall see. All right, next up, I got a pair of sunglasses. I know, Alma, don't you have so many sunglasses already? You guys, I have more than 5 pairs of sunglasses in my what do you call it, in my armrest in my car. But if I see fine glasses, I'm going to buy it. That's just it. If I see glasses that is fine, I'm gonna buy it, especially when it is cheap on SHEIN. So I got this very, very cute sunglasses, and this sunglasses was giving me $1 million boss lady chic vibes. Like, I'm looking at myself in the mirror now and I'm just like, are you talking to me? Did you contact my personal assistant? Did I give you an appointment? That's how I feel wearing these glasses. I feel so rich. I feel so expensive. It looks so expensive. Guys, can you call my driver, please? Let him know I'm ready. Oh God, they are not ready. They are not ready for this, because this glasses is giving expensive vibes, and it was affordable. That is even the most crazy part about it. I think it was about $8 or $7 or something ridiculous like that, but it's very, very beautiful. Looks very expensive, and I just like it. I love it. And almost SHEIN and their glasses always gets me. Like, their glasses always get me. Super duper happy about this purchase, trust me. And then last but not least, I got a phone case. I know, Alma, don't you have so many phone cases? Yes, I have, but I get bored with my cases very easily. And when I see cases on SHEIN again for cheap, $1, $2, I'm gonna buy it. That's it, I'm gonna buy it. So I saw this beautiful lilac, again, lilac. I'm having a thing for lilac and mint green. This is my current phone case. I got this here in Abuja. It's like a mint green, very cute. I love it. And I got this like last week or so. I saw this one on SHEIN, lilac. Again, pastel colors. I'm tilting a lot more towards pastel colors these days. And this lilac was so beautiful. I just hoped that when it came, it would have a good quality. At least it can protect the phone, even if it's small, you know. And I'm happy that it does, because it's quite sturdy. It's not as flimsy as the last two that I got on SHEIN before for literally the same price. It's a lot more, you know, sturdy. It's a silicone case. It looks beautiful, very cute. And I just love these little hearts that are at the back, 2 hearts. And yeah, just very beautiful and cute. And for the price, I beg, I'm not complaining. Very, very beautiful. I love it. Yeah, guys, that's everything I got in this haul. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments. As always, subscribe, thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away.